Today, we will share with you beautiful garden pathway design ideas and top 10 stunning garden pathway design ideas to transform your backyard outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A garden pathway is more than just a functional element guiding you through your outdoor haven, it's an opportunity to add visual interest, define space, and create a sense of arrival. By carefully considering the design and materials, you can transform a simple path into a captivating focal point that elevates your entire garden. Beyond its practical purpose, a beautiful garden pathway serves as an aesthetic bridge between different areas of your outdoor space. It can set the tone for your garden's overall style, whether it's formal and elegant, rustic and natural, or anything in between. A well-designed pathway enhances the visual appeal of your garden, guiding visitors on a journey through your carefully curated landscape. The advantages of incorporating a beautiful garden pathway extend far beyond aesthetics. Here are some key benefits. First, improved functionality. Pathways provide a defined route for navigating your garden, preventing damage to plants and soil compaction. Second, enhanced visual appeal. A well-designed pathway adds visual interest and depth to your garden, highlighting specific areas and creating a sense of flow. Third, increased property value. A beautiful garden pathway can significantly enhance the overall value of your property, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Fourth, boosted curb appeal. A stunning pathway creates a welcoming and inviting entrance to your garden, making a positive first impression on visitors. Creating a beautiful garden pathway involves careful planning and consideration of several key elements for designing your garden pathway for beauty. First, purpose and layout. Define the path's purpose and desired flow. Consider the areas you want to connect and sketch out different options to choose the one that best suits your needs and aesthetics. Second, material selection. Choose materials that complement your garden's style and offer the desired level of durability and ease of maintenance. Third, edging and borders. Define the path's edges using edging materials like bricks, stones, or wood chips to create a clean and finished look. Fourth, lighting. Consider incorporating lighting elements like solar-powered lights or path lights to enhance the pathway's functionality and create a magical ambience at night. Fifth, planting. Surround the pathway with beautiful plants, flowers, or shrubs to add color, texture, and visual interest. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of top 10 beautiful garden pathway design ideas. 1. Stepping stones. Create a whimsical path using natural or decorative stepping stones, perfect for small gardens or winding through a flower bed. 2. Brick or stone pavers. Opt for classic elegance with brick or stone pavers, offering a timeless and durable option for a variety of garden styles. 3. Gravel path. Achieve a natural and low-maintenance look with a gravel path, ideal for larger gardens or areas with heavy foot traffic. 4. Wooden boardwalk. Add a rustic charm with a wooden boardwalk, perfect for traversing over damp areas or creating a raised path. 5. Mosaic pathway. Unleash your creativity with a mosaic pathway using colorful tiles or stones, creating a unique and eye-catching focal point. 6. Concrete path. Choose a poured concrete path for a modern and minimalist aesthetic, offering a smooth and durable surface. 7. Cobblestone path. Create a historic and romantic feel with a cobblestone path, perfect for adding character to your garden. 8. Recycled materials path. Upcycle and repurpose materials like bricks, pavers, or wood for a sustainable and personalized pathway. 9. Curved path. Ditch the straight lines and create a meandering path that adds visual interest and encourages exploration. 10. Luminous path. Incorporate glow-in-the-dark stones or path lights for a magical nighttime ambience. The ideal material for your garden pathway depends on several factors, including 1. Garden style. Choose materials that complement your garden's overall aesthetic, whether it's formal, rustic, modern, or anything in between. 2. Budget. Consider the cost of materials and installation when making your selection. 3. Durability. Opt for materials that can withstand weather conditions and heavy foot traffic. 4. Maintenance. Choose materials that require minimal maintenance to ensure the pathway's long-lasting beauty. By incorporating a beautiful garden pathway design, you can transform your outdoor space into a truly enchanting and functional haven. With careful planning and consideration, you can create a pathway that enhances your garden's visual appeal, improves functionality, and reflects your personal style. Head over to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring garden design ideas and tips to create your own stunning outdoor oasis. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.